everyone, this is Mahima from EduSure, and I'm here to introduce our DU-SEM1 semester programs. So yes, we have been teaching you all in different capacities for so long, and now we are doing our DU semester courses, and we are doing it our style. We're doing it in our way. We're doing it in a very unique manner. I want to show you a glimpse of what we offer. So EduSure has been teaching you for MA Economics entrances for all these years, but we keep finding that the basics of the students are never very good. So we thought, why don't we help the student build our basics? And how are we going to do that? We're going to do that our style. So I'm going to show you the student portal that EduSure has built. Now, this is our DU-SEM1. It's an introductory micro student portal. All right. So this is just a glimpse of what we do. Now, if you see here, it's going to be very organized. You'll have unit 1, 2, 3, 4. You open each unit. You'll have the chapter, the questions, the chapter, the questions, chapter, questions. So this is going to be there for all the topics like this, absolutely organized. So you can watch the videos, you can click on the chapter, watch the videos, see the notes, and then you can solve the questions that have come in the past. And that's really the key to you acing the exam. So what we want to do is we want to help you ace your exams. So Introductory Microeconomics, DU-SEM1, Introductory Statistics, DU-SEM1, and Mathematical Methods 1. So everything, the entire course material for these courses are ready, and I want you to try an EduSure class before you take the decision of how you want to prepare for your DU-SEM1 papers. Everyone, this is DU-SEM1, Micro Maths and Stats by EduSure. I am from DU, I'm from SRCC, and our faculty is from varied places. Samkit sir is from St. Xavier's College in Calcutta. Our maths teacher, Suman ma'am, is a PhD in maths from DU. She's a gold medalist. So we've got various teachers preparing the best material for you. Please come, please try. And we are there for all the guidance. We are there for everything that you may need. So try EduSure before you take any decision, because we've got a very special offer for you.